tuna.
Zim eating pasta.
With pesto.
Anyone? Top of your head? What's 50 times $100,000? $50,000?
$5 million, Peter. Are you kidding me?
Say yummy, yummy.
Stick it in your ear, LaFleur. I wouldn't sell your gym back for all of King Midas's silver. The gym is mine. So you can take your band of yellow-bellied losers and just crawl out of here.
You're right. Well, I can't make you sell average shows back to me, so I guess I'll just take your advice and invest in something. Say, the controlling stake of Globo Gym.
It's preposterous. I'd never allow it.
Globo Gym is a publicly traded company. There is nothing you can do about it.
So I would control Globo Gym and everything that Globo Gym owns, which, as of last night, is average Joe's.
You like it?
I'm your boss, right?
You can't be my boss. Nobody's my boss. I'm my own boss. I created myself.
Nice guy, pal.
You can't do anything to me.
More?
You go down the floor. You go down like a sweet.
One more? What about this? Green pea. My sweet pea eating a sweet pea.
Hey, Peter. Look, it's Steve the Pirate.
Okay, let's see.
Wow. I just wanted to tell you that I thought about what you said. And I guess you're right. I'm not really a pirate. I don't know, Steve. You're not.